149 species in genus Dracula. The enchanting world of Dracula orchids. My name is Ferb Vu, and I'm an orchid enthusiast. While the vibrant colors and delicate structures of many genera of Orchidaceae family captivate me, I've always been drawn to the more unusual, even macabre beauty of the Dracula genus. These orchids, with their bizarre shapes and often somber hues, evoke a sense of mystery and intrigue that sets them apart. Imagine a flower that resembles a monkey's face or a bat in flight. Now picture it adorned with long, whisker-like sepals and often sporting dark, almost gothic colors. These are the hallmarks of the Dracula orchid, a fascinating genus native to the cloud forests of Central and South America. A name fit for a vampire. The name Dracula, meaning little dragon in Latin, is a fitting tribute to the mythical Count Dracula. This association stems from the flower's unique appearance. Some species boast deep red hues reminiscent of blood, while the long, pointed sepals evoke images of fangs. The overall impression is one of a dark, mysterious beauty, perfectly in line with the vampire lore. These orchids are epiphytes, meaning they grow on other plants, typically trees, for support. They thrive in the humid, cool environments of high-altitude cloud forests, often shrouded in mist and fog. This preference for dimly lit, damp conditions contributes to their air of mystery. Diversity in the dark. The Dracula genus is surprisingly diverse, with over 100 recognized species. Each possesses its own unique charm and characteristics. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Cultivating the Count. Growing Dracula orchids can be a rewarding, albeit challenging, endeavor. They require specific conditions to thrive, mimicking their natural cloud forest habitat. High humidity, cool temperatures, and good air circulation are essential. They also prefer indirect light, as they naturally grow in the shaded understory of the forest. For those passionate about orchid cultivation, the effort is well worth it. To witness a Dracula orchid in bloom is to experience a touch of the extraordinary. Their unique beauty and macabre charm are a testament to the diversity and wonder of the natural world. Beyond the bloom. My fascination with Dracula orchids extends beyond their aesthetic appeal. They represent a unique convergence of science, mythology, and horticulture. Their unusual forms and adaptations provide insights into evolutionary processes and ecological relationships. Their association with vampire lore adds a layer of cultural significance, while their popularity among collectors highlights the human desire to connect with the natural world. As I continue to explore the world of orchids, I am constantly reminded of the endless wonders that nature has to offer. The Dracula genus, with its captivating beauty and mysterious aura, serves as a constant source of inspiration and fascination.